very common concern, stretch marks and pregnancy. So I have gotten a recently lot of questions about it after my previous reel about stretch marks. So let me answer one by one about all your doubts about the pregnancy and stretch marks which are related to it. So first question, why did I get doctor stretch marks on my belly after pregnancy? So let me explain you this. In pregnancy, the skin of the belly stretches. Why? To accommodate the baby which is growing inside your uterus, inside your womb. When you stretch anything too much, like a polythene, like a cover, if you stretch too much, then the elasticity will be lost. Similarly, in the skin, when the skin is stretched from inside too much, the collagen fibers, which are like the building blocks of the skin, which are the cement and bricks of the skin, they also break in between, and that is why the stretch marks start developing. So I think I have answered this question. That is why when the baby is born, when the pregnancy full term is there, it is looking very red, because they are the newly broken collagen which is like a wound on the skin, and afterwards you see that when the baby is born, then the skin shrinks and they look very, very prominent, because the skin has also stretched along with. Does rapid weight gain and weight loss make stretch marks worse? Definitely yes. So just now I explained why do anybody get stretch marks. It's not only related to pregnancy. During the puberty, during rapid weight gain or rapid weight loss also stretch marks will appear. Why do they appear? Due to stretching of the skin due to the weight gain. So when the rapid weight loss is noticed, so that skin, it will shrink, and when it shrinks, the stretch marks start becoming more apparent, but actually they are formed during the weight gain. Can stretch marks disappear completely? This is the very, very common question asked by the pregnant mothers and also by people who have got the stretch marks. It cannot be erased completely. It cannot be like Photoshop, you take an eraser and erase. No, it is something which is on your skin. It can be improved. It cannot look bad as it is looking. So there are procedures like we can give you creams like retinol creams and all are good for improving the appearance of the stretch marks. Then there are some procedures like laser, CO2 laser resurfacing and microneedling with certain serums which can improve the stretch marks. How? By improving the collagen regeneration in that skin which is like a scar now, and also by improving the thickness of your dermis. Next question, which treatments work best for stretch marks? I think I answered this very well. When you're talking about creams, over the treatment, over the counter products like retinol creams work well. Sometimes Centinella asiatica also works. Apart from that, CO2 laser resurfacing and microneedling. Are these treatments safe for breastfeeding mothers? So, very important thing. When a mother is breastfeeding, at least in first 6 months of pregnancy, no treatment should be done. There are certain treatments which are not proven that they will cause any harm to the mother or the child. It is best to be doing these treatments at least after 6 months of pregnancy when the exclusive breastfeeding stops, but never before. Next is how long before I see the results. So these are the treatments done to improve the collagen bundles on your skin and improve the thickness of the dermis. So you have to wait at least 1 month, sometimes 2 months to see the results. Do I need to continue creams or oils after treatments? Yes, the treatments are done on the monthly basis, so probably 3 to 4 sessions you will require, but in between, to keep continuing the process of remodeling, you will need to continue the creams which are prescribed by the surgeon or a skin specialist to you. I hope this helps, and more questions about the stretch marks, I know there will be more in the mind, so don't hesitate to DM or to write in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video. I'm Dr. Smriti Nathani, plastic and cosmetic surgeon from Chennai.